Hey, my name's Jennifer Laurin, and this is,
Dr. Simone Rasner.
and we're really excited to share with you that on the weekend of April 8th through 10th, we'll be offering a Tantric attunement for couples here in San Diego, California, with the potentiality of Zoom for remote attendees. And Simone, would you like to tell them a little bit more about what we'll be offering?
I'd love to. And our premise is that intimacy is a softening process. And in a world where, we're stressed most of the time, and maybe we've gotten to a place of just an assumed familiarity in an established partnership, it's hard to keep that fiery intimacy and depth, and really in the magic of that synchronicity that you can feel, where you truly discover another person, where you truly feel like you can express and share at a deep level and continue to grow together. And so we've designed this weekend to identify and help break down the barriers to intimacy, as well as using the tantric arts to weave in sensuality and sexuality, and how is this creating more juiciness in the way you guys both want to flow and give back to each other into the world. And so if this sounds like you, then please do save the dates of April 8th through the 10th. And it will be here in this beautiful sanctuary that you see behind you. Just follow the link, and again, we're only accepting a very few number of couples to create a very potent and focused container. So go ahead and sign up before the space is out.